Hi guys, my name is Kirk. I'm with Kirk Giordano Plastering. What we're going to do today is, if you look up, you'll see a couple cracks on this building. Well, the fella called me and he told me about what was happening here, so I said, what's the address? So yesterday I typed in the address of Google Maps and it showed me a picture of this. Of course it was last year, but I could still see the cracks. So right away I knew, well gee, if it was a building about 70, 80 years old, I know what to look for. And I thought only a wood structure building with a wood lath can do this, or a skim coat. So right away I knew it was a skim coat coming off. Anyhow, I came out here yesterday. I set up a ladder and I touched this area here. I'm about to pull up the ladder right now. When I pull the ladder out, I'll show you exactly how and what is going on here. It's just the skim coat that they applied here. They didn't put the bonding agent directly on the building. So, I mean, this is only 1% or less than 1% coming off. I informed the fellow who called me, if they didn't put the bonding agent right here, more than likely you may have some other issues along the side here, along the face. But what we're going to do today is we're going to correct these little areas. And what I'm going to do is scrape them off and replaster them. That's what happens when you put the bonding agent in the mixer. It says you can do that, but technically you cannot do that. I've never done that because I already know from 30 years ago this will happen. Anyhow, when I set the ladder up, I'll show you exactly what I'm referring to. Show you what I did yesterday. I came here and I felt this and I thought, whoa, just like a bladder. So I poked it yesterday and all the water started pouring out. That's what's happening. Water's getting behind here. And it's some of the areas that are loose got to come off now. And what we're going to do is, after I scrape all these bad pieces off, I'm going to wire brush it, apply the Weldcrete directly to the building, and repair it. And here's what we're looking at. It's just the skin. Some of this is elastomeric paint that is bad. And some of this is actual a 1/4 inch thick. That's a 1/4 inch thick stucco. So I'm going to try to remove everything that's loose here. Then we're going to put it back together. Show you guys how we do that. Alright guys, it didn't take long, a little bit more than I expected, but sometimes you get started and the whole thing comes off. Sometimes you can find a stop point. I touched around yesterday and I thought it was just contained here, but you always want to remove more than not enough. And you know you had enough when you scrape like this, nothing more is coming off, then you're fine. So Jay's going to come up here now, we're going to wire brush this. And we range from almost a 1/2 inch to nothing. Right here is just paint. So we're going to feather all this in and this side here. Where, again, if they had applied Weldcrete to the wall here, this wouldn't be happening. But a lot of folks just simply don't know that. You cannot put the bonding agent into the mixer. Can't do it, won't work. Trust me. Anyhow, we're going to get busy and fix this. Alright, Jay's using the wire brush. He's about to apply the luminite. Brother Lou picking everything up for us. Okay guys, now I'm applying the Weldcrete, this blue stuff. And unlike when we do a color coat, I usually dilute this. I'm using full strength here. Full strength, and I'm actually doing a couple of coats because now I'm putting on stucco close to a 1/2 inch thick up here. And then we're going to feather into about a 1/16 to an 1/8 right down here. Full strength. Alright guys, now that I got this skim coated, I'm floating this in. Real simple finish to match. They don't get much simpler than this. The fellas who did this skim coat made it real easy for us. Anyway, this is what we got going on here. We matched this with a sponge float. Well guys, they just informed me that our battery is about dead, so I'm going to do my wrap up here. This heavy float finish with aggregate every which way. Very simple to match. We use a sponge float. This skim on here is, again, it goes from a 1/2 inch to an 1/8, so it's ready to go. And this is what we do. We just take our sponge float, we feather in all the edges, And this will last forever. The rest will come off before our patch is because we've used the right prep work. Anyhow, my name is Kirk. I am with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Thank you folks for watching a simple skim coat such as this. We'll see you guys on the next one.